Nawawala rin ito sa tuwing ang serbisyo publiko ay nagiging pribadong negosyo. Kung ang mga opisyal ng gobyerno ay sindikato sa pagnanakaw ng pera ng bayan. Every peso stolen from the people's treasury steals a child's freedom from hunger. It steals a student's freedom from illiteracy or substandard education. It steals a patient's freedom to obtain quality health care. It steals a worker's freedom to earn a decent living. Every ghost project is a classroom never built. Every corrupt contract is a road that was never built for farmers to bring their produce to the market. Ang korupsyon ay hindi lamang pagnanakaw ng pera. It steals opportunity, it steals dignity, and it steals hope. And ultimately, it steals freedom itself.